Next standard integral number 17. Right, number 17. We'll see the sine inverse differentiation is what? From that find an integral part. D over dx of sine inverse x. See what the answer? Sine inverse x differentiation. Hence find the answer for integration. Every integrate out complete from the differentiation ideas. So what is sine inverse x? Differentiation 1 over square root of 1 minus x square d over dx of sine inverse x. Sine inverse x differentiation 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. Then what the integral part, reverse of that, converse of that. Therefore, if you differentiate this one, the answer is that. Then integrate such an expression, answer is sine inverse, right? Therefore, integral 1 over square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x integral. Answer is sine inverse x, right? Is the case. Sine inverse x integration 1 over 1 minus square root is sine inverse x. Right, next one. 18th one. Find the differential coefficient of the sine inverse x over. Find the sine inverse x over differentiation is what? Hence we find the integral of one part of that. So everything go with the proof. If you are very clear in the differentiation, this is become easy. So what is sine inverse differentiation? 1 over 1 minus x square root. And if any other function inside, differentiate that also, no? That's completed by differential coefficients. Sine inverse x over, what is the answer? 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. So x over a completely square, right? Sine inverse x over a 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. Then what? Don't forget the inner function. But a is a constant. What is x over a? X over a differentiation is x means 1 over a, right? X is 1, therefore 1 over a. So this differentiation is that answer. Therefore, if we integrate such an expression, answer is this. But you can simplify further. You can simplify this. See, inside the square root, a square multiple here, it become below completely a square, no? LCM, multiple a square here and put inside a root a square. Inside the root a square is a. So below a mean, you can take up, is it? So a over square root over that. A square minus x square into this 1 over a. So see a cancel. Therefore d over dx of sine inverse x over a. Sine inverse x over a. But the answer 1 over square root. Is it okay? A square minus x square. A standard part. Differentiation of this is that. Therefore, tell the integral part. If the differentiation this one become that, therefore integral 1 over square root of a square minus x square dx. The answer is sine inverse x over a. Also here the plus c also, right? If any form, this form, A is a constant, right? If anything that form, the answer is sine inverse x over a. Sine inverse x over a. See one example, one question, example, integral 1 over square root of 9 minus x square dx. 1 over square root of 9 minus x square dx. So find the integration of that. The standard form, that's clearly standard form. 1 over a square minus x square is sine inverse x over a. Then how that one? So better you play first question, first problem. Therefore show the brief method. Write the 9 as 3 square. Write the 9 as 3 square minus x square into dx. Okay, therefore 1 over a square minus x square pattern. Therefore the answer is sine inverse x over 3. Sine inverse x over 3 plus an arbitrary constant c. Plus we said arbitrary constant c. See another question, second example, integral 1 over within square root 16, I say 4x square dx. Try this one. 1 over square root of a square minus x square. 16 minus, I think better you say not need 4 ever. 9, because 4 and 16 is a common factor also. Take a 9x square and see that pattern. So that integral 1 over, always go to the general pattern, rearrange that form. 1 over a square minus x square form. So write that pattern. That is 16 is what? 4 square. Here can I write 9 and x together? 3x all things square, no? 3x all things square into dx. Is the standard form of 1 over a square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. So what is the answer? Sine inverse, ne? Sine inverse x for 3x, x for 3x here, right? Sine inverse x over a. Okay. Is it plus c? Yeah, but that is wrong. That is wrong. What's wrong here? What's wrong? I completed this morning we work any. Here 3x, another differential function available. 3x. In integration, wherever that any differential path inside, differentiate that and write the reciprocal. 3x differentiation 3. Reciprocal 1 over 3 plus c. See, very important. That is already completed. Anything in the integration should be derivable find its differentiation and write the reciprocal of that. So the question number 3, integral square root of 100 minus 121 x square dx, 121 x square dx. So some practice problem, they won't ask such a question, right? But without this, you can't go step. I said, a very long lesson integration to successfully complete properly without any absence or any missing lesson. Then only it's clear to work any future problem. Fully can be get the answer. Simple question. Exam problems are simple. So follow the same method. So actually the second example I not shown here a square minus x square pattern. That is, I shown a square something as 3x also. 3x square also. It's not a square minus x square, x only. Yeah, 3x no. Anyhow, there is that pattern, got the answer. So here same method you can work out. Otherwise, I try to work out this x square only. See another method I am showing here. X square only. Therefore, can I take the 121 out of the root? 121 out of the root, then 11, eh? 121 square root I took out, that is 11, right? So 1 over, then here what? If I take from the root 121 out, here 100 below 121. Because I am factorizing, I took the 121 out. There have been 100, there's no 121. There we should... but to be divided by that, ne? Minus x square. Here is showing that pattern standard form. That's why 1 over a square minus x square. Or further you can write that's equal to 1 over 11 integral 1 over square root. Show this 10 over 11 square minus x square dx. Dx respect to x integrating. Then get the answer. Now it's become ordinary method. That is 1 over a square minus x square form. 1 over a square minus x square form. Therefore the answer is what? 1 over 11. You see 1 over a square minus x square is sine inverse x over a. What is a means? Is 10 over 11, no? X over a. Okay. If you use the previous second method, the second example question, the same idea here too. Therefore the answer 1 over 11 sine inverse 11 goes up 11x over 10 and plus we write a constant a, b, c or whatever. C is easy to write, that's why they internationally use the C. C nikan poddak mema karama C ne. Lesi makuru and the C in English alphabet. C is the easier letter, that's why they use this arbitrary constant as C or A, whatever. Takes so long time than compare with the C. Okay. See another example, integral 1 over square root of lambda minus mu x square dx. See that? 1 over square root of lambda minus mu x square. Everything inside the root. Find the answer. So that you can use, I've shown two methods. Anything you can use integral 1 over, you can take the mu out, or by make it the standard complete square form, square root. Can I write this a square minus x square? No, a square minus x square, right? But only lambda there. You can write the lambda is how? Square root lambda square minus mu square root x. It's square, no? Is it set that? Should be shown completely square, no? Therefore, that case a square minus x square pattern. Okay. Therefore, what the answer? A square minus x square form sine inverse x over a. Okay. Sine inverse x, but don't forget a plus c, but it is wrong. Inside a derivable function, differentiating function, they can differentiate here. Mu x mean mu, and it's reciprocal 1 over square root mu and plus c is the answer. Don't miss this sine inverse form. Sine inverse in anything 1 over square root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x over a, right? Next theory is in number 19, 19th one. See what is d over dx of cos inverse x. What is cos inverse and see? And from there build up a general form of the integration. Cos inverse integration, what is that? Minus 1 over, no? Minus 1 over, same answer, right? Therefore, sine inverse, cos inverse, same answer, numerically same, modulus. But there's a plus minus symbol there, plus minus. So, cos inverse, what is the answer? Minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, cos inverse integration minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. So this integration, differentiation answer is that. Therefore, integral minus 1 over 1 minus x square answer is cos inverse x. Okay, you can't put the minus that side now because of earlier theory. Earlier theory we shown that 1 over square root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse x. Yeah, we put the minus there, it won't valid. So this is the answer, right? Yeah, very rarely they ask cos inverse, sine inverse, both are actually equal, same answer but negative. So cos inverse minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square integration pattern, cos inverse x. Right, 20th one, number 20. See what the answer of d over dx. Cos inverse we called x, cos inverse x. See what the cos inverse x differentiation. Or better see, wait, not x over a, right? X over a, right? X over a, cos inverse x over a. Cos inverse x over a, differentiate, hence find the integral part of that. So this differentiation, cos inverse differentiation is what? minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x for what? X over a completely square. Okay, that is cos inverse differentiation. Now the inner function x over a differentiation is what? 1 over n, x is 1, x is 1. So 1 over n, therefore here 1 over a. So how I explained the earlier sine inverse, the same idea of simplification. Simplify this. Here a square inside the root, multiple here, it become a square minus x square, completely below LCM a square. But inside the square root, a square means outside a, then a goes up. Okay, therefore minus a over integral a square minus x square into 1 over a. Therefore a cancel. This is d over dx of cos inverse x over a. There's a minus, right? So build up a general pattern. So cos inverse x over a differentiation is minus 1 over a square minus x square. Therefore, as a converse part, we'll take a note for the integration. Therefore, integral minus 1 over square root of a square minus x square respect to x. The answer is what? Cos inverse x over a, right? Cos inverse x over a is the answer. Cos inverse x over a. So minus comes only cos inverse, otherwise no minus means sine inverse, right? We'll see a couple of example. Example 1. Integral minus 1 over square root of 25 minus x square dx. And example integral minus 1 over square root of lambda square minus x square dx. So for that, this is the standard form that can show integral minus 1 over what is square root is 5 square minus x square into dx. So write the answer, that is next rightly cos inverse, right? Answer cos inverse x over 5 and plus c, right? Don't miss that plus arbitrary constant plus c. Next one, minus 1 over lambda square minus x square, everything inside the root. So straight answer, that is cos inverse x over lambda plus c, right? X over lambda plus c. See another example, that is minus 1 over square root 64 minus 5x square. So the minus is the important, otherwise answer becomes sine inverse. Here minus, therefore answer become a cos inverse part. So rearrange the standard form, hence integrate. So this becomes integral minus 1 over, as I mentioned the sine inverse examples, there are two methods and two methods. You can write a square minus x square form, then you should take the phi out and take the phi out. Otherwise, if I show by keeping the same, 64 is what, 8 square. Here also should be square, huh? Therefore, how the 5? Square root 5x completely square into dx. That is minus 1 over a square minus x square form. Minus 1 over a square minus x square form, right? Therefore, the answer was that. But the answer here, cos inverse x over a x4 root 5x, root 5x over a. But not only that, there's a derivable function inside the root 5x. Ax differentiation is a, yx differentiation is y, a number. So root 5x differentiation is root 5. Always in integration problem, find the differentiation and write its reciprocal. That is 1 over square root of 5 plus c. Okay, this is the answer, right? This is the standard integral that is number 20, number 20. It's my method, my way, so that number, putting some numbers. If you study in some other teachers, some reviews, any books or any notes, they will give different manner. But I'm showing my way is this, all the standard integrals I am proving and let go. Next, 21st theory. See what is the differentiation of the, or we can go there straightly, you know that tan inverse x differentiation. D over dx answer tan inverse x. See what is tan inverse x differentiation, hence find the integral part. Tan inverse x differentiation. What is tan inverse x? 1 over 1 plus x square. See, cos inverse, sine inverse, we have the square roots. Ne? Here no square roots, right? So if differentiation tan inverse, that's the answer. Therefore, integral 1 over 1 plus x square into dx. What the answer? Tan inverse x. Okay. One of the standard but straight answer, nothing to go any other form. Anything 1 over 1 plus x square, say tan inverse x, right? Tan inverse form. Okay, next number 22. Find the differential coefficient of tan inverse x over a, tan inverse x over a, and go to the integration thing. See what the tan inverse x over a. Straight answer, tan inverse pattern differentiate, hereafter inner function differentiate. But it's tan inverse differentiation 1 over 1 plus x over a, all things square, right? Okay, tan inverse x over a, tan inverse x over a is 1 over 1 plus x square. Next, write the inner function. Inner function derivative is what? 1 over a, right? 1 over a. Simplify further. Tan inverse import most. Every questions, papers we have tan inverse. We'll see, I'll show many problem that is there. So all of you that upload a telegram, that channel, then it's easy to me. My WhatsApp not working. I can send papers, tudes and everything for your that group. So once you upload, you can send me your name, address, then I can send here after Zoom link and all. So a square goes up, 1 by a cancels, 1a cancel, ne? Therefore a over a square plus x square. Okay. Earlier square inside the square root, no? But here the a square and a square below take up. And this a cancel, ne? That's the answer. Okay, this differentiation, that answer. Therefore, what is the integration technique? Reverse of the differentiation. See, a over. This answer is tan inverse x over a. But we won't write this pattern. Take the a that side, right? A is the constant. Therefore, the standard form, very important, very used in the problems. A square plus x square dx, answer is tan inverse x over a into 1 over a. So here is 1 over a, very important, right? That means not like the earlier differentiation karala reciprocal දෙම්මන ඒ කතන්දර නෙවෙයි. Here automatic tan වලට 1 over a කරනවා. But sin inverse, cos inverse, if anything inside derivable function, find its differentiation, write the reciprocal. That is everywhere, not only inverse case, anywhere in integration, any derivable function, find its differentiation and write the reciprocal. But here tan inverse, remember, extra 1 over a available, right? You see example, many example needed for tan inverse. One example, integral 1 over 9 plus x square 1 over 9 plus x square into dx. Write the standard form first. Always follow the theory part. Theory follow, then complete the answer. So integral 1 over, write the standard form, ne? A square, that's 3 square plus x square into dx. 1 over a square plus x square form. Then follow this theory part, write the answer. What is that? Tan inverse, trigonometry everywhere. Trigonometry, the heart of mathematics, trigonometry. Tan inverse x over a. Don't forget 1 over a here, additional part, right? And better put the arbitrary constant c. Arbitrary constant c. Tan inverse x over a form, right? Tan inverse, that is another question. Integral 1 over, can I say that 25 plus 4x square. See that how? How that integral 1 over, I can show two methods, I show you the both. If I write the a square plus only x here, only x square in the standard form, therefore 25 plus x square, can I take the 4 out then? I take the 4 out, but should divide by 4 here, no? Because I am showing the 1 over a square plus x square pattern, right? 1 over a square plus x square pattern. So therefore here 1 over 4 integral, now write the standard pattern, 5 over 2 all things square plus x square dx. So what is the answer? 1 over 4, that is additional 1 over 4, right? So inside 1 over a square plus x square form, the answer is tan inverse x over a. Then don't miss the 1 over a. Don't miss the 1 over a here. Therefore the final answer, or the final expression, if you simplify, see this 2 goes up and 2 cut here, is it? Therefore 10, the 1 over 10, 1 over 10, tan inverse, the 2 take up inside the inverse, that is a trigonometry partner, you can't cut it, that is, okay, that plus c, right? Tan inverse is 2 take up, okay, 2x over 5 plus c. This is one method. I show here complete a standard theory part, 1 over a square plus x square form. Or otherwise, or another method, can I write this integral 1 over 25, say 5 square, also 4x, I say 2x square completely. Then also try, you can get the same answer, 1 over a square plus x square. That is tan inverse x over a, in front 1 over a. But here there's a derivable function, 2x can be differentiate, that is 2 ne? Write the reciprocal half. 2x differentiation is 2, its reciprocal is half. Therefore see same answer. You follow anything you familiar with, your convenience, take the easy ideas, tan inverse form. Another example, we say, square 1 over 144 plus 169x square integral dx. Dear YouTube channel viewers, the newcomers, please subscribe this. Then you can collect all my attractive videos of integration, applied maths, PO, everything. This is not only the YouTube I am uploading my Zoom lesson with the students I am teaching, the same time parallelly I am recording this, right? So square root of 1 over 144 plus 169x square. Okay, see this one, right? 144 plus 169 square. So here two methods, you decide the easy way you can use that part. What will happen? Integral 1 over 144 is 12 square plus 13 square, 13x complete square, right? This is easy, this first method is easiest, really. 1 over a square plus x square pattern, that is tan inverse form. So the answer, tan inverse tan inverse 13x over 12 ne? X over A, okay, x over A, and don't forget in one front 1 over A. Also there's a derivable function 13x can be differentiate, that is 13, so write the 1 over 13 reciprocal. So multiple and get the answer, put the plus C also. Here multiple is 13 times 12 multiple and give the other step, right? And plus C, the answer, that is 156. Another question. I mentioned y, not only x, it can come y, but 95% problems are x, but it can be as y also. So what is that? 1 over 3 plus 13y square integral respect to y. So then what that is, integral 1, no, here not a standard form, no squares, no. Therefore take all these part into consider as a square. A square plus x square form. Therefore, how the 3, every value can be shown as a square, no, root 3 square, ne? Plus here what is that, 13, root 13, y is outside, and completely square dy. So standard form of the 1 over a square plus x square form. Here I mentioned dy, no? Therefore the answer, what is that? Tan inverse x over a, here what? Y over root 13y over root 3 tan inverse x over a, and 1 over a in front, 1 over a for root 13. And not only that, there's additional differential coefficient inside. You can derive the root 13y. What is root 13y? Derivable is root 13, right? It's reciprocal. So 1 over root 13, right? Therefore the answer is 1 over square root of 39 tan inverse square root 13y over 3, or completely you can take the root, but y is outside, right? And plus c, no? Plus c, y is outside the root, plus c, that's the answer. Another example, it is AB 1 over AB plus CD x square. Try this one. Because of tan inverse is more important. In many questions we have the tan inverse part. Therefore 1 over AB plus CD all things square. That is the integration part there. Hello sir. What's that? No, right. So integration, that is 1 over AB plus CD x square. So connect to the standard form. Integral, how this standard form, how that square root AB plus CD square root ne x square dx. Okay. So what the answer? Tan inverse. Tan inverse CD over x over n x over a, x over a. Here completely square, no, c dx all things square, right? Here also square, right? A square plus x square form, right? Therefore tan inverse x over a, and don't miss the 1 over a. And there's a what you call differentiation function. Differentiate it and write the reciprocal. That is 1 over cd, ne? Okay, I am giving some simple pattern. 1 over, what the answer? Inside the root ABCD. Inside the root ABCD, and tan inverse square root of CD over AB plus x plus a constant c, right? So I hope you know now we are after the standard form of tan inverse x. Sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse much more important. If you see many will work. I'll send the tude next time. Will work. Just we complete successfully theory part, then you can handle any problem the exam future 2020. Very easy question. Okay, right, next standard part. Next is standard. The number was 23 in my method. 23rd standard form. 23rd. Can you tell me the answer of differentiation of x plus square root of x plus a square root of a square minus x square minus a square. See, that is your not integration, that is your differentiation knowledge. Tell me the answer of that one. What is the differentiation of that one? I missed the wait value. Logarithm, wait. Logarithm, right? Logarithm x plus square root of x square minus a square. Answer in it. Logarithm x plus square root of x square minus a square. See what is the differential coefficient of that. Hence find there's a standard form for the integration. Windu, tell me you balam hata pulwang. What is the answer? Anyone? What is that? Logarithm differentiation first, then inner function differentiate, hence simplified become some familiar form, I think. That's why the standard answer here. What is that? Logarithm differentiation 1 over x plus square root of x square minus a square. Logarithm differentiation 1 over. Next inner function. What is inside of the log? Inner function x is 1. Square root differentiation 1 over 2 times square root x square minus a square. Square root differentiation 1 over square root 2 times that. Hereafter inside x square differentiation 2x. See, let's show you complete high knowledge of your differential coefficients. Logarithm differentiation is 1 over. Hereafter inner function x differentiation is 1. and square root differentiation is 1 over 2 times square root, and the inner function x square is 2x. Now see 2 cancel. What is that? 1 over x plus square root of x square minus a square. And here see, after cancel the 2, you can cross multiply the square root here. X square minus a square plus x over what? Square root of x square minus a square. Okay. Now see this cancel. See what happened finally? 1 over square root of x square minus a square. That's the final part. So take a standard integration therefore. Logarithm x plus square root of x square minus a square differentiation is 1 over square root of x square minus a square. No? So what the converse part? Yeah, what the reverse integration part? No, this differentiation, that answer. Therefore, see, very important. Don't misuse this pattern. Earlier about this is the answer become logarithm answer, right? Logarithm x plus square root x square minus a square and a c also. So earlier we learned something similar there, but that is what? Sine inverse, cos inverse, that is what? A square minus x square, right? Those are square root 1 over square root a square minus x square. They are sine inverse or cos inverse. But x square minus a square mean answer logarithm pattern. එච්චරවත් දැනගත්තාම ඇති. log වලින් එනවා කියලා. No, you can't use the sine inverse. You can't use the cos inverse. Answer is logarithm form, right? Next, my 24th general pattern, standard integrals. See, try same method, logarithm x plus. Here I put x plus. Same idea. Logarithm differentiation is 1 over, write that. Hereafter inner function x differentiation, here they have plus here, and here plus, right? Here plus. Hereafter inner function x is 1 square root differentiation 1 over 2 times square root, then x square differentiation 2x. Now simplify here. What happened? 2 cancel. Like earlier, see that earlier if you simplify that same idea, what happened? X square plus a square plus 1. X square plus a square plus 1x. Okay, x square plus a square square root plus x. That is cancelled with this. Ne? So finally you receive like this. Logarithm x plus square root of x square minus a square is 1 over square root of x square plus a square. Therefore, see again what the integration technique. This differentiation, that answer. Therefore, that integration answer is this, right? So don't use a sine inverse or cos inverse or any tan inverse. Such a case come logarithm answer, right? Logarithm answer. Right, next number, I think 25th, my standard integrals. Twenty-fifth. Do you know that d over dx, a to the power x differentiation? Some recent papers they ask this integration problem, like this power x. If you have an idea how to differentiate this, then you can try the integrate format. How that? I complete kara ne godak kara api me wage power x, so I can show from first principles. Can I take the let y equal a to the power x? I show from first principle. So what the idea of any power is x, base anything or base x power x using the logarithm, right? Take both side logarithm, ln or log, whatever, no problem, right? Take both side logarithm. If I use ln mean base is e, log also base e here. That's called exponential function, like a e logarithm. And you know that logarithm y, what is logarithm rule? X comes in front of the log a. Now both sides differentiate respect to x. Now I am teaching not integration. You already forgot this thing. We learned already, but you forgot this. The idea of standard differentiation. Now differentiate respect to x both sides. Differentiate with respect to x both sides. That is d over dx logarithm y. The other side, can I write the log a is a constant? Log a is a constant. D over dx of x. Log a is a constant. A is a constant. No? Therefore, log a is a constant. It's a multiplication, take out. Here what? You can't differentiate log y. You can't differentiate the log y respect to x. You can't differentiate log y respect to x. Therefore, you make here a y. Make this y. D over dy log y. D over dy log y is 1 over y. 1 over y. But it is wrong. To change that, dy over dx, no? Dy over dx. 1 over y, dy over dx, right? That's equal other side. X is 1, x differentiation is 1. Therefore, logarithm a. So, what the answer then? Dy over dx equal cross multiple y logarithm a. That means what? D over dx, what is y? A to the power x. Y is a to the power x. So what is y? A to the power x log a. So you forgot, therefore I shown once again this differentiation coefficient of anything comes like this power standard part, a to the power x. So therefore this differentiation answer is that. So work out the integration. Therefore integral a to the power x log a respect to dx. What the answer? A to the power x. But here log a is a constant, log a is a number. Take and divide other side, Therefore here we need a to the power x integration is 1 over log a into a to the power x, right? Very useful. The reason one of the paper they ask in integration part. But such a problem comes, they ask first part as a differentiation. Hence they evaluate, they said to find this. Next, what's the example? What the example? One example. Integral 2 to the power x dx. Integral 2 to the power x dx. So here nothing to that prove from first principle. You can write straight the answer. But the a for 2 and a for 2, what the answer there for? 2 to the power x 1 over log 2, okay, plus c, right? Plus c or 2. I can write straight like this: 2 to the power x over log 2, ne? 2 to the power x over log 2 plus c, right? Don't miss the c. They are give 5 mark. The ski marking panel. Arbitrary constant here marks. Sometimes if you misuse, they said don't give the mark because you don't know the. So what if we put the c here, arbitrary constant? A function can differentiate with the c also same function, without the c also same function. That's why we have to find the complete function. So the c එකක් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම end වෙන completely what the function. Therefore plus c is a number. Is very beneficial when we study later definite integration. There are some symbol comes here, x equal from 0 to 5 like this. Boundaries. These are what? Definite, indefinite, that is definite. So the same thing, only the boundary new in the future. Okay. Right, next number, I think 26th one. My 26th standard integrals. So step by step we are moving to higher maths, higher standard parts. Very useful things here after 26th one. Integral sine square x or even power, actually even power, sine square with even power sine square, sine to the power 4, sine to the power 6 like that. Odd power also can, but I show a separate answer. Okay, so very important. See, trigonometry nowadays I am telling in the initially when you come to the A-level first day, first classes, first year, trigonometry very important. If you miss the trigonometry, all life, mathematics life waste, all demolished when passe kisi deyak karanna bෑ. Probability and statistic විතරයි trigonometry නැත. Everywhere is there. Everywhere there is there projectile emotion, the collisions problem, the anything in the pure maths, complex numbers, series, we have series, induction, matrices, they are trigonometry, binomial theorem, we have comes questions to trigonometry, integration, differentiation, the circle, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. Okay, so here see very important, follow me how I'm showing this. Wherever sine square comes, right, sine square format, not only sine square, even power. The best method or the only one method is you change to cos 2x. Mostly using method, there are so many methods, right? Not only mine, but if you put the boundaries, if you put the boundary from where to where sigma, then it becomes same answer. But unfortunately, if it's not bounded, there is different answers in the problem. If you could join with me continuously, I can show many problem. Different method becomes different answer, various answers. Okay, but all over the mostly the teachers knows that sine square comes turn to cos 2x, right? Cos 2x එකට හරවන්න ඕනේ. Cos 2x එකට හරවන්න ඕනේ. එච්චරයි. Therefore trigonometry double angle formula. What is cos 2x? What is cos 2x? You know cos 2x 3 answers ne. But the first answer cos square theta minus sin square theta. Other one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Other one is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. See how this. Okay, sin square form change to sin to cos 2x, right? Therefore, you know what is sin square here. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That's all. Then you can complete the problem, right? I say mostly the integral, we take the I, J like letters. I take I use I here after. First time using here I, therefore I equal. Integral I kila dano. Exams collect I, J like that. So I, what that? Sin square what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Simple, right? Simple. If you learn it clearly, if you follow me, my method, my order, become easy, right? So, okay. Therefore, can I write the 2 half out, integral 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Now write the answer. So what is that? There's a half in front, and now you can inside, what is that? Integrate. What is one integration? I not said this morning and now the evening class. I not said this one. You know, x differentiation is what? 1. X differentiation is 1. Therefore, one integration is x. මෙච්චර කරලා ඒක දාන්න බැරිනොත් බල ඉතියන වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒක මං කිව්වේ නැහැ. So you know the idea I said very first this morning, very first voice I said integration is when මොකුත්මනේ අලුත් දෙයක් නෙවෙයි. Differentiate the opposite is inverse අනිත් පැත්ත තමයි integration. So all the differentiation we have integration question. So 1x minus what is cos integration? What is cos integration? Minus sign, okay, minus because of sign differentiation cos. Therefore, cos integration sine. Okay, here there's a minus here. Sine differentiation cos. Then cos integration sine. So sine 2x. Then don't forget the inner function. Inside a 2x, inside 2x comes. Differentiate the 2x, that is 2. Write the reciprocal half. Okay, therefore simplify as possible. There's a standard answer finally. Can I take the 2 out? Can I take the 2 out? So see 104 there. 104, therefore 104. So in this x there's no 2, then multiple 2x. Multiple 2x minus sine 2x. Also plus c. So don't miss, very important. Follow me how I am explain this. What about this sine square? Not only square and sine the power 4, sine the power 10 is the way, right? Convert to the cos double angle, cos 2 theta format. This is one of the standard question part. I show an example using this. Right, example 1. Sine square 3x. Can you? Sine square 3x. So the same lesson I am recording also to YouTube. You can, if any problem or not understand clearly, you can view through the YouTube channel also, one of my channel YouTube. If you press type my name, you can take a lot of articles, a lot of videos in YouTube. It's also I'm going same thing recorded to upload to YouTube. So how this? What happens? Sine square an angle, whatever angle I said, change to cos double angle, cos 2 theta format. Cos 2 theta format. So here, what about these things? You think cos 2x means cos 2x is like that. Therefore, sine square 3x. Sine square 3x comes out 1 minus cos What is that? Cos. Here 1x means 2 double. If it's 2 then 4. 3 means 6 ne? Cos 6x by 2 into dx. Okay. Now integrate. So take the half integral 1 minus cos 6x into dx. Therefore half into what is that inside, what is that? 1 integration is x. Sine differentiation cos, therefore cos integration sine. So cos integration sine 6x. Then don't mix to the inner function 6x. That is 6, write the reciprocal, 1 over 6, okay? That's enough, or you can take the 6 also out. You can take the 6 out or whatever, no problem. And don't miss the plus c, plus c, plus c. Another example, integral sine square, I say 2 over 11x, 2 over 11x. dx. How this? Any sine square or even power, right? Change to cos double angle format, right? Cos double angle. So what is sine square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. No? Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Therefore sine square theta is 1 minus cos. So what is here? How this? I put a fraction here. 1 minus cos. What is that? Double 4 over 11. The 4 over 11 x over 2 into dx. That's all. Simple as a fraction. I put a fraction, right? Then complete the answer. So what is that? Half into integral. 1 is x and 1 is x. Here what is that? Sine. No, sine 4 over 11x. Then don't forget the inner function to derivate. 4 over 11x differentiation is 4 over 11. It's reciprocal, so 11 over 4. Or if you take the 4 out, 1 over 8, 1 over 8, and 4x minus 11 sine 4x over 11. Okay, plus c. Okay, that. Okay, I hope you can do any problem similar fashion. Don't miss that. If you want, you can write note and lila tiyaganda. Sine square integration change to cos double angle, cos 2 theta. Sine square integration change to cos double angle method, right? Okay. Then we write the next my standard form. Next standard, which one? 26, 27, 27th one, integral cos square x dx. 27th theory of integration. That's my method, my number, right? Standard cos square, very important. These are very important. So then why don't you use the same idea earlier? Same method, because cos square also we have cos double angle. So whatever sine square, cos square, take the cos 2 theta method, cos 2 theta, right? Cos 2 theta form, you have to take that. So here what is cos 2 theta? Here what is cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta minus 1. And then change and find the answer. So integral cos square x answer is 1 plus cos x, ne? 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Okay, cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2 ne. Okay, then take the answer, simple. I take the half out, integral 1 plus cos 2x into dx. So therefore half. Now integral and write the answer. What is 1 integration? X differentiation is 1. Therefore 1 integration is x. What about this one? Cos integration. Sine differentiation is cos. Therefore cos integration is sine, positive. Sine 2x. Also don't forget the 2x and write the reciprocal half. Ne? Or otherwise if I take the 2 out of the bracket, 1 over 4. 2x plus sine 2x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Standard form of cos square, sine square, or any power of these things, right? See one example. Integral cos square 3x dx. Find the similar version. You can't write straight answer. You have to follow the first principle way, right? Cos square 3x integral. So change to cos double angle. Integral, what is cos square means? Double angle cos square. Therefore 6 cos 6 theta. Cos 6 theta is 2 cos square 3 theta minus 1. There it becomes here 1 plus cos 6x by 2 into a dx, right? Therefore get it turned, different integral. Take the half out, and write integral. 1 integration is x and cos integration sine 6x, and differentiate, write the reciprocal plus c. Or you can take the 6 soles out, or you can say that's plus c, right? Another example. Cos square alpha over beta into x dx. Try this one. Cos square alpha over beta into x dx, integral, standard form. So change to cos double angle formula, right? That is the standard format. This is my second video of this theory class. Already I published that first lesson. This is my second video. After completing this, I can follow these questions, revisions and all. Those are newcomers, you need any classes to complete under this theory or any problem, you can connect my Telegram channel, SHAMmaths. SHAMmaths t.me, Telegram t.me, SHAMmaths. You can get a lot of physics books, chemistry books, mathematics articles, all my notes and my videos, everything that is there available. Through that you can follow my lesson, you can connect to my class also through that. cos square alpha over beta x dx. So for the same fashion, this comes integral, change to double angle, cos 2 theta pattern, therefore you what? 1 plus cos 2 alpha over beta, okay, over 2 ne? Into dx, right? Double angle cos 2 theta form, change to double angle part. So the answer, take the half, and straightly integrate. One integration is x, cos is what? Sine 2 alpha over beta x, and don't miss the reciprocal of differentiation, eh? That is 2 alpha over beta, no? That becomes here beta over 2 alpha, right? And don't miss the plus c, right? Arbitrary constant. This is cos square theta form. Should change the double angle, right? Cos 2 theta format. Okay, right, next standard number, next one. Integral tan square x dx. So I complete the sine square, I shown you the cos square. Now we see what is tan square integration. Think any methods? Tan square. So this morning I shown many trigonometric paths for tan, cos, sec, and everything. So you know wherever tan square chance for a sec, ne? Because of sec square theta is 1 plus tan square. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square. Therefore, we write this tan square is what? Sec වලට හරවන්න ලේසි. Because of sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, the tan square theta is sec square x minus 1 into dx. That's the method. So if I want, I can show separately. You can the integral separately also. I mentioned this morning that rules of proper theorems of integration. Sec square integral and the one integral. What is sec square? What is sec square integration? Tan differentiation sec square, no? Tan differentiation sec square. Therefore, sec square integration tan x. So the answer is simple. Tan x. What is 1 integration x? 1 integration is x. 1 integration is x. Also plus c available, right? Therefore, simple. Wherever tan square comes, you not only square can be power 4, power 6, even power, right? Sec වලට හරවන්න sec square වලට, because you know sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, no? Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore better change to that one. Okay, see one example of using this theorem. I say tan square, one example, integral tan square 7x dx බලන්න. Tan square 7x dx. how that? Same. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, change to that. Therefore, answer integral sec square, what is that? 7x minus 1 into dx, right? Sec square 7x minus 1 into dx. Here, no, it's not integration, trigonometry part. You know, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square, change it. Now integral, what is that? Sec square integration tan, because of tan theta, differentiation is sec square theta, right? Therefore, this is tan 7x. And don't forget the differentiation, write the reciprocal, minus 1 is x, huh? Okay, plus c is the answer. See another example, integral tan square lambda over mu into x. See that? Tan square lambda over mu into x. Get the standard answer for this by change to sec square, not change to sec square. Further integral sec square, this one lambda over mu into x minus 1, okay, into dx, because of sec square theta 1 plus tan square, right? Therefore, this is tan, no? Therefore tan, the angle is lambda over mu into x, but don't miss the reciprocal of after differentiation, mu over lambda, right? And minus 1 is x, 1 integration is x, plus c, right? Okay, right, next standard number, next standard integrals. Still trigonometry, integral cot square x dx, cot square x dx. See how any ideas, any differentiation ideas, or cot square, not only square and even power, you can follow the similar fashion. This, you know, sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, the same as sec square theta 1 plus tan square. Like that, we have the cosec square also. Ne? What is cosec square? Cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta, no? 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec square is 1 plus cot square theta. So what is cot square therefore? What is that? Cosec square x minus 1. That's the method, right? Convert to the cosec square, that form. Like earlier sec square theta 1 plus tan square, no? Same method, convert to that. Now you can do the integration part. Do you know any idea of the differentiation? What is cot x? Cot x in differentiation is what? Minus cosec square x. I did work this morning. D over dx of, what is that, cot x? The cot x differentiation is what? Minus cosec square x. මෙච්චර පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම කියලා ඉතින් අමතක කරලා තියන්න බෑ. මේ වෙලේම sin cos tan නේ පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. So you know that suddenly මේක දෙම්මොත් ප්‍රශ්න වලට ගොඩක් ළමයි කරන්නේ. Cot x differentiation minus cosec square. Therefore, minus cos x square integration minus other side. Ne? So, minus cot x, minus cot x 1 integration x. That's the answer. That's the answer. See one example, integral cot square 5x, cot square 5x dx, cot square 5x dx. Change to cos x square, right? Change to cos x square. Integral cos x square 5x minus 1, the trigonometry part, not integration. Now do the rest integral separately. What is cos x square integration? What is 1 integration? Get the answer. You know, cot x differentiation is minus cos x square. Therefore, here minus cos x square 5x. Don't forget the 5 and 1 over 5. Every integration that is available. Minus 1 means x, ne? Plus c, right? Plus c. Plus c. These are the standard part using the sine square, cos square, tan square. Also I mentioned the cot square, right?